I should go out on a run. Don't know where, I don't care. Put my headphones on and played my favorite song and drifted off to a different space. A different time and place. It's a feeling I can't ignore.
Welcome to my another vlog. Nice with me. Say hi. Hi. Sino ang tabi ni Ma'am? Going to El Nido with my family. So we're heading to El Nido via Puerto Princesa Airport.
Princesa, only guests for this flight to Puerto Princesa must be on board. If you have a different flight number or destination, please call on any of your cabin crew for assistance. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Ito po ang Cebu Pacific Refugee ng 639 patungong Puerto Princesa. Nangyari po lamang natawagin ang pansin ng inyong cabin crew, hindi ito yung tamang departure. Maraming salamat po.
Hindi, meron. Ewan ko. We're here in PPS Airport and sobrang init. Grabe. Sobrang Ginair. So, nag-stopover kami dito somewhere. Hindi ko alam sa lugar. Pero, matagal-tagal pa. Bago kami makarating ng El Nido. 3 hours pa daw. So, kain muna kami. Ito pala yung view ng restaurant. Sobrang ganda. Hello! This is the resto na pinag-stopoveran namin. Hello! 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 Hi! So this is where we are staying. Here at Nina Grande Beach Cottages.
Ayan yun.
Ito yung isang room. Buti maganda naman yung room nyo. Room tour. This is the first room. This is the room. So, paglabas ka ng ganyan, maraming rooms, and then, dun yung dagat. They have different rooms. Ayan. And then, ito yung beachfront. Pwede kang tumambay dyan. And this is our room. Meron siyang patio or terrace. Then, pagpasok mo, may fridge, may small table, may double bed. Double bed ba yan? Oo, double bed. Double bed. And then, may big mirror, may electric fan. Siyempre, meron dun aircon. Aircon! Ito yung CR. Ayan, may heater pa.
Thumbs up.
Chill ka lang. So, maganda dito. Kailangan niya lang talagang mag-abang ng super discount sa Agoda. Ang dami nakapalaot na boat. Sabi nila maganda daw yung sunset dito. So, let's see. We will see if tama ba yung reviews. Pero ang ganda kasi may view siya. Time check pala, it's already 8:40 p.m. Nakarating kami dito siguro mga 10 minutes ago. Late na kami nakadating dito sa El Nido kasi na-late na din kami ng alis sa Puerto Princesa. Like, nagland kami ng parang 2:35. Tapos nag-intay pa kami ng check-in baggage. And then, 3 na kami nakaalis. Tapos, inabot ng 5 hours and 30 minutes yung biyahe papunta dito sa El Nido from Puerto Princesa. Kasi, tas more or less, 30 minutes doon yung stopover namin. Isang beses lang kami nag-stopover kasi nga, like, malilate na talaga kami ng dating. Pero okay din. We're glad that we're safe. Safe and sound na nakarating dito. And maayos yung nabook ko na accommodation dito sa El Nido. By the way, this is in Corong. Tapos, ang pangalan ng accommodation na to is Mina Gande Beach Cottages. Siguro for tonight's agenda, pahinga lang kasi tomorrow we will have our island hopping for Tour A. Dito medyo against it, pero okay lang. Ayan. So, nandito ako sa may parang small gate nila. Then, ayan yung beach. Yun. Sobrang daming palaot na boat here. I actually can't wait for tomorrow kasi gusto ko siya makita ng umaga. Yung view niya. And then yung reviews kasi it's okay din. Welcome to El Nido Town Square! So, nagbumili kami ng gelato.
Ang mga baga si pagano talaga kung nag-ano tayo. Ayun, na pago? Renta. Ngayon, uwi na namin tayo ng nandoon.
Kaya ikaw magbabayad. Bumili kami ng gelato. Tapos mali yung nabili ko flavor! Gusto ko magtabog. Pero okay lang kasi experience. Pwede na. Masarap naman. Masarap yung dark chocolate pero hindi ko pinili. Masarap din yung almond na tinikbang ko pero hindi ko siya pinili. Tapos yung pinili ko, hindi ko tinikman. Pero, mint chocolate saka French vanilla. It's a no-no for me.